Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting piece of tech, the 4K HD foldable mini drone with obstacle avoidance. This isn't just another drone. It's designed to be a companion for anyone wanting to explore aerial photography and videography, whether you're an adventurer or just curious about drones. It's built for both indoor and outdoor flying, aiming to bring professional-grade capabilities into a compact package. One of the standout features is definitely the camera system. It's marketed with impressive specs like 4K UHD and even 8K HD for crystal-clear aerial photos and videos. While the video capture resolution is listed as 1080p and stills at 12 megapixels, the promise is stunning detail from above. Imagine capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action shots from a completely new perspective. This drone puts that potential right at your fingertips. Safety is a big concern with drones, especially for beginners, and that's where the advanced obstacle avoidance system comes in. This feature is crucial. It helps the drone navigate safely, detecting and avoiding obstacles in its path. This provides a layer of confidence, allowing pilots to focus more on getting the perfect shot and less on worrying about collisions, making the flying experience much more enjoyable and secure, particularly in environments that aren't wide open spaces. Underneath, it's powered by a brushless motor. This is a significant upgrade over brushed motors often found in smaller drones. Brushless motors mean more efficient power usage, quieter operation during flight, and generally higher performance and durability. This translates to smoother, more stable flights and a longer lifespan for the drone itself. Portability is key for any adventure gear, and this drone nails it with its foldable design. It collapses down into a really compact size, making it incredibly easy to pack into a backpack or even a larger pocket. Storage is simple too. It's designed to be taken anywhere, ensuring you're always ready when the perfect aerial opportunity arises. Another great aspect, especially for newcomers, is that it's ready to go right out of the box. There's no complicated assembly needed. It's fully assembled and ready for immediate adventure upon arrival. Coupled with its beginner-friendly special feature, app control, and the promise of long battery life. Even though it comes with just one battery, it aims to make getting into the air as simple and accessible as possible for adults looking to try drone flying. Overall, this 4K HD foldable mini drone with obstacle avoidance presents itself as a versatile and capable option. It blends advanced features like obstacle avoidance and brushless motors with user-friendly aspects like its foldable design and ready-to-fly nature. It's positioned as more than just a toy, but a tool for capturing the world from a new angle. Perfect for those looking to elevate their photography and videography game without needing professional pilot experience. It truly seems designed to unlock endless possibilities for adventure and creativity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.